In this short video, we will explain the API functionality of Licenseware to pull processed data for further integrations. The Licenseware API is designed for ease of use, with the front end being a stateless web page that relies on the API for 80% of its functionality. This allows you to perform many actions available on the front end directly via the API. Once you log into Licenseware, you will see the initial API call will be made to api.licenseware.io/auth/login. The payload for this call should include your username and password. We won't show it here, however, more details can be found in our Postman collection. The response will provide an authorization token and a tenant ID, both of which are required for all subsequent API requests. For each request to the backend, ensure that the request headers include both the tenant ID and the authorization token. For example, a profile request must include these headers to authenticate properly. There are three endpoints, which we call the registry service endpoints. First, we have apps, which retrieves a list of all applications, each with its app ID, URL, and description. Uploaders. This provides a list of uploaders used for file uploads related to any application. Lastly, reports, which lists all available reports, each with an app ID, base URL, and report components. Each report component has a unique URL for data retrieval. For example, the Infrastructure Mapping Report component IFMP overview can be accessed via the URL on screen. Each component's data is fetched through a GET request to its specific URL, which returns all the data contained within that particular component and table. Lastly, to explain projects, these are isolated tenants used for data isolation, where users will create projects for managing multiple internal or external software licensing projects. So when you are sending requests to the backend using the authorization token and tenant ID, the tenant ID is specific to each individual project and must be updated to the project's tenant ID accordingly. If you are interested in integrating licenseware with your solution or systems, please reach out to us directly via our website or via contact@licenseware.io. Thank you.